If you've been convicted of a DUI in Florida, you can immediately reinstate your license and regain full driving privileges in most cases. In other situations, you may be able to obtain a restricted license, permitting you to commute to locations essential to your daily life, such as work and school. Let us be your one-stop resource to help you through the process. We want to help explain your options based on the offense. No matter what offense you're facing, you'll want to immediately check with the clerk of the court in the jurisdiction of your offense to determine your specific ignition interlock device requirements. Prior to installing your ignition interlock device, you'll need to enroll in a certified DUI program and apply for a hardship license through Florida's Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles Department, or FLH-SMV. If you've been convicted of a first offense DUI, your license will be suspended for 1 year. If your breath alcohol content was under 0.15, you may be able to install an ignition interlock device to reduce or eliminate the suspension period. If your breath alcohol content was 0.15 or above, or if there was a minor in the vehicle, you'll be required to install an ignition interlock device for at least 6 months. If you've been convicted of a second offense DUI, you'll be required to install an ignition interlock device for at least 1 year. If you've been convicted of a third offense DUI, you'll be required to install an ignition interlock device for at least 2 years. Immediately following the installation of your ignition interlock device, you'll need to visit a driver's license service center or tax collector's office to get the P restriction added to your license and pay any fees required. Whether you choose to install with LifeSafer or not, please use us as a resource to help you get back on the road as quickly as possible. Our goal is to make the process easy for you by providing a reliable, easy-to-use device. We will price match competitors so you know you're getting a fair cost without hidden fees, and our team is here to support you every step of the way. We know this process can be overwhelming. As one of the most trusted interlock providers in Florida, we'll get you through it.